Here we are, driving through northern Ontario. There's so much scenery here. Long, lonely roads, lots of trees. But you get to sit back and contemplate life. You get to think about what's important. You get to think about world events, the weather at various parts of the world, their family, your children, and how long does this drive take? I just started this drive and I'm just realizing this is one lonely piece of highway. So kudos for Canada building it to get to one side or the other. We have a vast and open and huge country that's very underpopulated, especially in this area. Highly populated probably with moose. But it makes you appreciate all parts of Canada. The sparse and the congested. So anyway, those are the things I thought about today while I was driving. Talk soon, folks. This is crazy. Cliffs are pretty unique, very square and edgy. We just transferred through some of them, drove through some of them, and I said I should probably try to get my camera running so we can get a few more of this. So this is just an hour east, hour and a half east of Thunder Bay. So really the first real nice stretch of different looking scenery. I'm pretty impressed. So yeah, I hope the folks back home enjoy it. I missed a little bit of it, but hopefully I can capture some right now. So lots of things to look at. I love scenery.
Shout out to RPM Drilling who let us put the Jeep there and store it for a few weeks until we get back. We really appreciate that.
Yes, thank you so much. That's a lifesaver.
So thank you very much. And we're in one vehicle now and on our way.
If you'd like to see what I'm tightening up, this top of the shock. The bolt was loose on the shock. You can see it down in here. So anyway, Guess what you can tighten it with? An adjustable. Isn't that great? Old cars you can fix alongside the road with an adjustable, a screwdriver, and a hammer. My kind of vehicle.
Reece, I tried to dial you on this payphone, and it was going to cost me $5.20 for 1 minute. So I figured I wouldn't do it. But haven't seen one of those in a long time.
Here's my saying. Let's blow this popsicle stand.
Let's go. Back on the road.